complex, much too complex, too complex, too complex, too complex.
It's really complicated, and there were so many people working, so many things going on at the same time. I'm David, I come from Hungary, I'm 34, and I'm a freelance translator and interpreter. If you're just a visitor, it's like going to the movies, but for several consecutive days. So probably those people don't realize anything, like what's going on behind, how much work it is for everything to come together. Before and after the festival, our task was to set up the various locations, and during the festival we also had to set up the main stage, like chairs and things like that for the viewers, and also guarding during the screenings, letting people in and things like that.
Too complex, much too complex.
I didn't really realize that if you go to work camp, which is part of a festival, then it's really different from the regular work camp. I didn't know that there would be so many Slovenians. I didn't know that there would be so many local volunteers also. But it was a good thing, because this way you meet a lot of local people and maybe you integrate even more. In a regular work camp you also integrate, but it's like with different European people. And here maybe you get to know the country a little bit more. I've worked a bit for SCI Hungary, but mostly just organizing cultural events for foreign people coming through various exchange projects. So I haven't been to a real work camp, and I wanted to go to one because I've heard it's interesting and I wanted to meet new people.